Complete the table by adding the polynomial functions. Then evaluate the sum for each given value. To add polynomial functions, you need to combine like terms. Remember that like terms are terms that have the same variables raised to the same powers. There are 3 different sets of like terms between z of x and w of x. Since we are finding the sum of the 2 polynomial functions, we'll be adding each set of like terms. First, rewrite the sum with like terms next to each other, then simplify each set. The notation z plus w of x indicates that we still have a polynomial with a variable. Changing the notation to z plus w of 6 indicates that 6 is being substituted in for every x in the sum. That means replacing every x with a 6. Once 6 has been substituted in, use order of operations to simplify. Once z plus w of x is found, any value can be substituted in for x, and order of operations can be used to simplify. To find z plus w of -9, substitute -9 for every x, and simplify using the order of operations. If we adjusted this scenario to make it subtracting the 2 polynomial functions instead of adding, it does add a step to the process. Instead of subtracting, it can be easier to add the opposite. Start by changing subtraction to addition and multiply the second polynomial by -1. Next, distribute the -1 through the second polynomial. Now complete the problem just like an addition problem. Since the problem is now an addition problem, combine like terms and simplify.